Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean suite experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Serenade of the Seas. Now this particular room that I'm in is an aft facing junior suite. I always love being on the aft of the ship, and the junior suite's a perfect amount of space for so many of our guests. Now we're going to show you every part of this room, but before we do, just wanted to make sure and point out when you're ready to book your next Royal Caribbean cruise, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of those interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get that Harr Travel signature service. Now, as soon as you walk in the door here, you're gonna have your closet on the side. So it's a large closet, it's actually a walk-in. You've got storage up and down, you've got a ton of hanging storage here. Those will pop down for a little more storage as well. And then you're gonna have your robes because it's one of those suite level amenities. Now keep in mind, a junior suite is not a full suite. You're gonna get some amenities and a ton of extra space, but if you wanna get the concierge lounge and all of those, you're gonna need to upgrade to a full suite. Now just through the door here, you're gonna find the bathroom. You've got a large vanity right here, upgraded bath amenities, storage up and down behind, and then a little bit underneath. And then right over here, you're gonna have the toilet. Right here, you have your shower tub combo. Now, I traveled with my family a lot when my daughter was little. Having a bathtub is such a bonus. You know, it is a little bit high, so I have a little trouble fitting in there. I'm 6'6", but if you're under about 6'4", you won't have any problems at all. And that bonus of having the bathroom is so worth it. So now we're in the main part of the space. You're gonna see you have the royal king size bed here. It does separate out into 2 twin beds if you like. You've got the nightstands with drawers. Those would go to the middle if you separate the beds out. Ton of storage underneath. Now I did want to point out they don't have plugs next to the bed, so I always bring an extra battery backup. I can charge it during the day and then use it by the nightstand in the evening to charge my device. Now over here, you're gonna have a writing desk that doubles as a vanity. There's storage in here on either side. You've got storage up and down there as well. Also in here, you're gonna find your safe, perfect size for passport wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. You've got your mini fridge tucked in the corner, and then you're gonna have drawers on either side and a little bit of storage underneath the television and just above as well. Now you have a flat screen TV. It's that perfect thing. So you can watch TV from the bed, or you can swivel it over and watch from the couch. It's interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, and of course, watch television. Now we're in the living room space. This is where you're gonna see a lot of the extra space here. You've got the reading chair with the ottoman, nice little table there for a cup of coffee or a cocktail. And then over on the other side, you're gonna have your couch. It does fold out into a bed. And then you've got your coffee table right here. You can take advantage of that 24-hour room service menu. Now, what I love so much about this particular junior suite is the aft facing view. Let me take you out there and show you what I'm talking about. Now you can see it is a large amount of space. You've got 2 loungers here looking out at the incredible aft facing views. You've got a little cocktail table right there. On the other side, you're gonna have a table and 2 chairs, but you can really see the space where you can spread out. Now I love being on the aft of the ship. For me, there's something calming and peaceful looking at the wake, hearing it churn in the distance, and sailing away from beautiful ports all around the world. Now, when you're ready to book this junior suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and take advantage of that Harr Travel signature service.